Well, AC Nielsen works very closely with us here at Katz in that they work with my category management and shopper insights class to provide data for the students to use the actual software that they would use if they worked at a company. And we collaborate with Nielsen and Heinz and GlaxoSmithKline and Del Monte, who provide the data, and then Nielsen provides the software. Then Nielsen comes in and trains the students, and the class does several projects throughout the course of the semester that would be very similar to what they would do if they were working at a consumer packaged goods firm. And in that class, we also have participation from speakers from Del Monte. A person comes in. Pepsi is very heavily involved in that class. This semester we had the vice president of Campbell Soup came and discussed how they had launched a soup product in the Russian market, which is Russia and China consume much more soup than the rest of the world combined, as it turns out. So that was pretty good. So that he did a presentation to the class, and he gave them data, and then they had to divide up into groups and then come back with a recommendation on what they would do to introduce these soups into the Russian retailing distribution system as to which kind of retailer they would recommend targeting first. So that was, and then Pepsi, this is the second time Pepsi has come, and they tasked the students this semester in working with the data that they provided to develop a presentation that would ostensibly be given to a retailer as to the role of carbonated soft drinks in American consumers' lives and the importance of that, and how the retailer should give it more prominence in the store. Even though carbonated soft drink sales have been declining over the last several years, it's still it's still like the #1 or #2 product category in the store by a fair margin. Like over 90% of American households buy soft drinks in a year.